Hi everyone, my name is Cavotta. This is my Mallet portfolio page where I'm compiling a bunch of resources from the Mallet program, and one of these resources now includes my technology tools that I may be using in this class. So far, I just have the Google Suites that I'm going to be using for my unit plan that I talked about in the video for designing our audience. So I do intend on using Google Suites for the project that I'm going to be giving my students. There's going to be plenty of other technologies I'm going to use. I'm just in the process of doing some research on those. For Google Suites, I'm going to have my students create a shared Google document with their group where they will have the link to their article that they choose to further study. They will compile their research together. So they're going to research, why did this fail? What happened? What does this have to do with math and measurement? Why are we doing it in this unit? Why is this an example of math and measurement? So they'll have that on the Google Documents. Then I'm going to have them create a Google slideshow that they'll share with each other in the group. And they'll also share this with me. So this will be a way for them to compile their ideas in a little bit more of an organized manner other than the Google Documents. This I'll kind of give them the freedom to choose how they want to organize this. This will be a way for them to kind of divvy up the work between group members and then also have a shared space so that I and their group members can see the work and research that they're doing. Then they will also use Google Meets. This I will also be a part of because as of right now, students can't create their own Google Meets links. So I'll be creating Google Meets links for kids to collaborate together. So not only will they be collaborating on the Google Slides and the Google Documents, they'll be able to talk to each other on Google Meets to collaborate and share ideas through that, since they won't be able to physically collaborate in the classroom. I may have students, I do have students who are all virtual, and then I have students, we have a hybrid schedule, so on any given day there are students at school and then students at home. So this will give me the opportunity to have students in a single class working together with students that are in the classroom at that time and then also at home. And it also incorporates the kids who are all virtual getting to work with those kids that are in person. And then the end goal is for the entire class to collaborate and create a Google Sites. I think this will be a really great tool for them to use. A lot of kids have never used Google Sites before. I'm loving how we're using it in the Mallet program to put all of our resources together so that I have this when I graduate. I think it'll be a really neat tool for kids to use in other classes and even just in high school, having this place where they can have all of their resources put together. So having them learn how to use it in my class and then using it in other classes in other ways. So my main thing is going to be using Google Suites. Again, I think I'm going to have them use YouTube to look up videos and images, and I'm also going to try to find some other resources to use other than Google Suites to assess them.